Hello everyone, welcome to the mathematical session. Today we shall discuss 3D geometry exemplar problems exercise 12.3 of class 11, okay, which will be helpful for JEE Mains, Karnataka CET and NDA exam. So here is our first question. The distance of a point from XY YZ plane, okay. So you can see here X, Y and Z, okay. So here is a point P of 3, 4, 5, okay. So if you draw a perpendicular, okay, so this is Z is equals to 5. So if you draw a perpendicular, here Y is equals to 4 and this distance is 3 you are having, okay. So distance of a point from YZ plane, okay, the perpendicular distance you have to find. So here the ordinate will be 0 because X ordinate will be 0 and Y ordinate and Z ordinate will be same here, Q point, okay. So distance between P point and Q point, okay, PQ is equals to square root of 0 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 5 whole square. So it is nothing but 3 is the answer. 3 is first, A is the option. Next, so foot of the perpendicular drawn from a point on x-axis. So very simple, we are having, okay, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Again a point P 3, 4, 5. Okay, draw a perpendicular. Okay, so draw a perpendicular. Okay, so now foot of the perpendicular on y-axis. On y-axis. So this foot of the perpendicular on y-axis. So take foot of the perpendicular. So on y-axis. On y-axis, x ordinates are 0, y is same, and z ordinates are 0. Okay, so this point we have to find. Okay, now PQ distance is equals to, so 3 minus 0 whole square, 4 minus 4, 5 minus 0 whole square, so which is nothing but 9 plus 25, which is nothing but 34 square root. So option B is the correct one. Next, distance from the origin. Distance from the origin is, okay, distance, okay, 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Okay, so 3 square, 4 square plus 5 square is 25, 25, 50 it is. Square root of 50 is the correct answer. Next, so distance between the 2 points is 27. Square root of 27 is equals to square root of a minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 2 whole square. So here a square plus 1 square root, so square root 27. So this is 2, so square root will get cancelled. So a square is equals to 25, a is equals to plus or minus 5 it is. So plus or B option is the correct one. Next, the intersection. So if you draw a plane, so this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So x-axis intersects two planes. Which is that plane? It is xy plane, xz plane, and it will intersect xy plane. So option A is the correct one. Next, okay. On x-axis, on equation of y-axis is nothing but x is 0 and z is 0. X is 0 and z is 0. So option C is the correct one. On y-axis, x is 0, z is 0. Next, so the point lies in which octant? Okay, all are negative. Negative means 7th octant. All are positive in first quadrant, first octant. All are negative, so 7th octant. Okay, plane parallel to xy plane and it is perpendicular. So this is what coordinate system we are having, x, y and z we are having. Okay, so plane parallel to yz, so this is a plane and it is, this plane is perpendicular to x-axis. So x-axis is the correct answer, option E. Next, locus of a point for which, okay, so this is a coordinate axis, coordinate system. So x-axis, y is 0 and z is 0. So it is equation of x-axis. Next, locus of a point again here, x, y and z. Okay, so on xy plane z is 0, on yz plane x is 0, on xz plane y is 0. Okay, so x is 0 on which plane? So yz plane, it is correct answer, B option. Next, parallelopoint, it is distance between the parallelopoint formed by the planes of the 2 points. So first point and second point is given, the parallel to the coordinate planes, the length of the diagonal of a parallelopoint. So it is nothing from the distance of these 2 points. This you take it as P point, this you take it as Q point. So distance between these 2 points, 5 minus 3 whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square plus 10 minus 8 whole square. So it is nothing but 4 plus 4 plus 4. It is 2 root 3. It is 2 root 3 is the correct answer. So option A is the correct one. Next, foot of the perpendicular on xy plane. Okay, x, y and z. So this is a point 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's perpendicular to this plane. Okay, its ordinates are, so z ordinate is 0. So distance between these 2 points, ordinates of L, okay, ordinates of L, foot of this plane. So none of this is the answer, not distance, none of this. Next, okay, foot of the perpendicular, x, y and z, foot of the perpendicular of a point 3, 4, 5. Okay, on x-axis, so y ordinate and z ordinate are 0. A is the option. Thank you everyone.